Stop right there. Before you put on that necklace you always wear, or those earrings you think are your signature piece, I need to tell you something that might completely change how you accessorize. You spend time on skincare, on choosing the perfect outfit, on styling your hair beautifully, but there's one subtle thing that can instantly sabotage your entire look and add years to your appearance without you even realizing it. Your jewelry. Welcome to Golden Chic Life, where elegance never fades, it just gets smarter. I'm so glad you're here. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because today we're tackling 7 specific jewelry mistakes that are frankly aging you. But here's the good news. For every single mistake, I'm giving you an easy, chic fix. You don't have to throw away your collection. You just need to make a few smart swaps. Drop a comment right now and tell me, where are you watching from? And be honest, how many pieces of jewelry are you wearing right this second? Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, the flimsy single-strand pearl necklace. Now, I love pearls. Pearls are timeless, classic, and beautiful. But here's the problem. That thin, single-strand pearl necklace, with tiny uniform pearls sitting tight on your neck, it's instantly aging you. The thinness makes it look cheap, even if it wasn't. And that short length? It draws all the attention directly to your neck without offering any flattering elongation to your jawline or décolletage. It's a piece that whispers conservative and outdated instead of modern and intentional. So here's the fix. You don't have to ditch your pearls. You just need to modernize how you wear them. First option? Layer them. Mix your pearl necklace with gold or silver chains of different lengths and weights. This creates dimension, visual interest, and instantly feels contemporary. Second option? Upgrade to pearls with more character. Look for oversized pearls or Baroque pearls. Those beautiful, irregular-shaped ones that feel artistic and high fashion instead of traditional and predictable. Third option? Go long. Choose a lariat-style pearl necklace that creates a flattering V-shape down your torso. This elongates your neck, draws the eye downward, and makes you look taller and more elegant. The key is transforming the pearl from a quiet, safe accessory into a dynamic, intentional statement. Pearls are timeless, but the way you wear them must evolve. Mistake number 2, clunky, overly matched jewelry sets. You know what I'm talking about. The matching necklace, bracelet, and earring set that all came in one box. It screams, I bought this in one transaction decades ago and never thought about it again. When every piece of your jewelry is identical in design, metal, and gemstone, the effect is stiff, overly formal, and honestly, aging. It telegraphs that you're following outdated rules instead of creating your own personal style. Here's the fix. Master the art of the mix. Break up that set. Choose just one piece, maybe the earrings or the necklace, and pair it with something completely different and modern. Wear the statement necklace with simple gold studs. Wear the matching bracelet with a sleek modern watch. And here's a secret. Mix your metals. The old rule about matching gold and silver with silver, gone. Intentionally combining rose gold with sterling silver or white gold with yellow gold creates an effortless, high-fashion look that feels youthful and dynamic. The key is intentionality. Your jewelry should look curated and layered, not accidental or stuck in time. Quick question for you. Do you have a matching jewelry set sitting in your drawer right now? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious how many of us are holding on to these. Mistake number 3. Heavy, droopy pierced earrings. Large statement earrings can be gorgeous, but when they're too heavy, they create a real problem. As we age, our earlobes naturally lose elasticity. Heavy earrings pull down constantly, stretching the piercing hole and literally dragging down your earlobe. This draws unwanted attention to a feature that's showing signs of aging, completely undermining the youthful vibe you're going for. Here's the fix. Statement without the weight. You don't have to give up bold earrings. You just need to be smart about their construction. Look for large earrings made from lightweight materials, resin, hollow metal, acrylic. These give you dramatic size and visual impact without the stress on your earlobes. Choose designs that sit high on your lobe with secure backings. Or try modern jacket earrings, where the design cascades below your ear, but the weight is properly distributed. If you have stretched piercings, look for wide studs or clip styles that cover the stretched area and redistribute pressure. By choosing lightweight, well-designed pieces, you get the bold statement you love while protecting and flattering your ears. Mistake number 4. Too many tight, small bracelets, the jangle. I know this look. A wrist full of thin bangles and tiny bracelets, all jangling together every time you move. It creates visual clutter. And when they're too tight, they visually cut your wrist, making your forearm look shorter and drawing attention to veins and skin texture. The constant noise and chaos feel dated and fussy, not modern and elegant. Here's the fix. Go bold or go intentional. Instead of many tiny pieces, consolidate into 1 or 2 strong cuffs. A wide cuff gives you a clean, powerful line that looks contemporary and streamlined. It makes a statement without the visual noise. If you prefer stacking, create a thoughtful stack with contrasting textures. Maybe a sleek watch, 1 chain bracelet, and 1 substantial bangle. And here's crucial. Let them sit slightly loose on your wrist. They should have movement, not cut into your arm. Fewer, more impactful pieces always look more expensive and intentional than a cluttered collection. Now pause for a second. Are you finding this helpful? Drop a comment and let me know which mistake has been your biggest aha moment so far. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Mistake number 5. Overly yellowed or fake-looking rose gold costume jewelry. We all love the look of gold, but poor quality costume jewelry with that overly bright orange-yellow tone or artificial pinky rose gold, it instantly cheapens your entire outfit. When the plating looks fake, tarnishes quickly, or wears off, it becomes an obvious age marker. Here's the fix. Quality over quantity. If you can't afford solid gold, that's completely fine. Look for well-plated pieces. Thick gold plating over sterling silver, quality vermeil, or well-done brass. These maintain a believable, rich tone that doesn't turn brassy or artificial. And here's a smart trick. If your budget is tight, stick primarily to silver tones or white metals. Silver plating looks more realistic and high-end than cheap gold plating. Invest in fewer, better quality pieces. Your jewelry should elevate your look, not undermine it. Mistake number 6. Chokers on a mature neck. Chokers and tight necklaces that sit high at the base of your throat, they draw every bit of attention directly to horizontal necklines and texture. They emphasize exactly what you probably want to downplay. Here's the elegant fix. The V-line elongator. Choose necklaces that create a long, vertical line down your chest. Pieces that are 18 to 24 inches. Or lariat styles that drop even deeper. This V shape instantly lengthens your neck, draws the eye downward toward your décolletage, and creates an illusion of height and elegance. It minimizes the appearance of necklines and maximizes grace. Make sure your pendant or charm anchors the necklace in a flattering position. A substantial pendant or layered chains that form a clear V are ideal. By switching from restrictive high necklaces to pieces that cascade and elongate, you redirect focus and ensure your jewelry enhances your natural elegance. Mistake number 7. Outdated brooches worn on the shoulder or collar. Brooches are making a comeback. But when you wear a very ornate, traditional brooch high on your shoulder or centered on a collar, it looks heavy, stuffy, and dated. It contradicts the effortless elegance of modern style. Here's the chic fix. Unexpected placement. Repurpose your brooch. Don't just pin it where tradition says you should. Try securing it to a blazer lapel, but lower, closer to your hip or pocket. This feels contemporary and less formal. Use it as a scarf clip to hold draped fabric beautifully in place. Pin it to the corner of a clutch bag or even on a belt for unexpected interest. And when choosing brooches, favor abstract, geometric, or streamlined designs over overly fussy floral or antique shapes. By adopting unexpected placement and choosing contemporary designs, you transform the brooch from a dated accessory into a sophisticated, intentional detail that shows you have a forward-thinking sense of style. Here's what you need to remember. So there you have it. 7 jewelry mistakes that, while they seem small, can instantly impact how polished and modern you appear. The common thread? A lack of intentionality and reliance on outdated styling rules. Let's quickly recap the fixes. Modernize your pearls with Baroque shapes or layering. Master the mix by breaking up matched sets and combining metals. Switch to lightweight statement earrings. Choose bold cuffs or intentional stacks over cluttered bangles. Invest in quality over cheap plating. Use the V-line to elongate your neck. And repurpose brooches with unexpected placement. The underlying principle? Jewelry isn't about hiding your age. It's about making deliberate, modern choices that honor and complement your features and personal style. Modernity in jewelry means clean lines, intentional negative space, and a curated approach. When you're unsure about a piece, ask yourself, does this enhance my neck or wrist? Does the metal look rich? Does the way I'm wearing it feel like a choice I made today, not 20 years ago? Your jewelry collection should be dynamic, reflecting your evolving style. You don't need to discard sentimental pieces. Just find new, creative ways to wear them. Challenge yourself. Repurpose that fussy brooch on a lapel. Integrate one antique piece into a modern mixed metal stack. By making deliberate decisions about scale, placement, and quality, you ensure your accessories highlight your confidence and radiance instead of undermining them. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these fixes are you going to implement first? Are you going to swap out those heavy earrings? Finally break up that matching set? Add some layering to your pearls? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love hearing your thoughts. If you found this guide helpful, and you're ready to elevate every aspect of your style, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to Golden Chic Life and hit that notification bell. We have so much more timeless style wisdom coming your way, because looking amazing at any age isn't about following rules from the past. It's about making intentional choices that celebrate who you are right now. Stay golden, stay chic, and remember, true elegance comes from confidence, not from your jewelry box. I'll see you in the next video.